time unataka tu kuniblia. Kupika leo tunaniblia. Na umejua ukienda huko unapiga tu ma story, uko zile za umekaa. Stop giving me excuses. Those are lame excuses. Blaming me for picking for you late. That's not my portion. I forbid it.
I'm recording.
You just record. Do whatever you like. As for me, I'm cooking. Kama kenye unataka. Naambia ninapika late chuma kwa sana. So what?
Nega gikech. You're killing me with anger.
Kichanga am I killing you with? If I were to kill you with anger, I would have not even cooking here. I would be just there.
Why are you cooking late?
I'm cooking late. Nilienda kununua mboga saa ngapi? Saa mbili.
It is 40 minutes past 9. A old man like me, having a beautiful wife.
I don't know what to say. I'm sure of us because if I utter something, it will make you to be hungry with me. So I better zip my mouth.
The woman is doing it.
Acha ni zip tu mdomo. Juu nitakuongelesha rude.
Ongea rude nisikie.
Acha niongee rude usikie. Mimi oga. Don't provoke me, oh. If you provoke me, you will see where my anger lies.
Are you the only one that has mouth?
No.
Kazi ni kupikia watu late.
Wacha niminya wacho. Udi ngane. An tekna satid chimang ridore yamos without even imagining how you spoke to me earlier. So I don't care. I care less. Mago to gik machandi kendi. An mago kuchanda. Ated. Kidini sana. I'm very sure nikipika haraka alafu nipike chakula yenye haijaiva utaanza kucomplain kwanza. Nikipika vyakula tamu alafu ni take time pia una complain.
Which food is sweet?
Hey, human is human now.
Which food is sweet?
Hey, dana tu burube no manadano.
Which food is sweet?
Just like questioning everything.
So umehitaji nimesema unapika late.
Haya jokes zako na wewe. Si lazima utanifanya hivi. Na party.
Aoluma. Aolio. What next now? Mboga ilikuwa tu kidogo.
Si hiyo mboga ndio tulibai. Kama ulibai mboga more than that one. Sime shrink.
Singebakisha utumie kesho.
Nani atumie kesho?
Sio.
Mimi nikiwa peke yangu siwezi tumia mboga. Domo inakuwa nataka nitumie mboga. Why?
Mtoto mdogo.
Ano?
Mtoto mdogo ndio.
Yeah, being a Canada rich kid during my high school days.
That is your past.
I was even sponsoring people breakfast. Hey.
That is your past.
Form 1 walikuwa wananikujia tu wairimo form 4 winners hapa wapi. Atupe breakfast. Because ile na wabaie mandazi yetu so
you look at me.
You and I was the rich kid.
You lost your richness.
Hey. God knows. I know I'll just be there. Nakwanga hardworking, so I know.
What happened?
Very soon. Sasa vile nimekuwa shule. Napata boyfriends wenye wana. Yeah, yani they don't advise me. The only thing they can just advise me, just sit down. I buy for you, I do for you everything. I cater for your hair. I just do everything for you. But ananiambia, "Oga,
She's pregnant.
wewe pia ni binadamu, so wewe ndio ufanye job." Napenda watu hao. So,
She's pregnant.
Nimeshakwambia.
You people are doing quack everywhere.
where?
You do it under the tree. You do it under
Unaweza
the
tu
sun.
niambia.
You do it in the dark. Even at the
Tumekupe.
grave, people are doing quack.
Unipea nini?
Kuna ujui kenye wanakupenda. Ati baby, I want you. I need you. Like seriously? Oh my gosh. So every now and time you say I want you, I want you. Is it food? It's not now.
Kana kumbanga sana.
Is it food? It's not now. By the sex in a fight once in a week.
Who
Ama
said?
twice.
Who said? Why are you complaining?
I'm complaining because I'm really passing through a lot too.
Which a lot are you passing through?
Imagine I want to cram some of the units in education and you are there. You want, baby, I want this. Baby, do like this. Open your leg this way. Okay. Today you don't have to give me like.
Now address the government because I'm recording.
Oh my gosh. Like you are recording. Acha jokes zako. Simama juu, ukae chini na tuanze kukula.
See, you are complaining.
I'm complaining about what?
I'm not the government. Complain to the government. Ask government.
Okay, the government. Why do men have to do sex a lot now? Is
Which
it
sex?
food?
Which which sex? Which sex? Who is doing a lot? Who is doing you a lot?
It should be the government should put that men should marry more than 12 women because they have a lot of sperms. That's why they want just to ejaculate the sperms into the lady's body every now and then. I want. Wow.
You have to service your man very well.
Oh, very well. So
In fact, after eating your food, we are coming to that one.
Oh God, stop that your issue now. Stop it. I don't want to hear that. I am a human being. I have to rest. My body needs rest.
You have a lot of complaints.
Nothing like that, Bana. You want me to cook for you? Then you want me to go to bed, then yes,
yeah, we are eating. We are
again and again.
Yeah, you have to cook and cook. So also cook.
Okay, I'm tired though.
Cook
I can just remember. I imagine myself waking up very early in the morning, very tired, washing the utensils, mopping.
After that,
cleaning up my body and just trekking up to school. Surely, it doesn't make any sense. And you want me to do sex thrice in a day? Surely, are you for real? The sex be food. It's not now. Okay, stand up now. You don't want to eat.
Let imagine nioge. Una complain. Kuna ma complaints zingine.
Unataka kuoga na maji. Sawa. Acha nianze na kichwa ama.
I'm recording.
Nyenye.
Okay, more nyote ya.
Mimi juga ki complain yawa. Ikatosa kitni isa complain ni ati domo deko. Sani kiolo ni pien weti. Yawa, mudi ngane biroma.
Ndio chien, we complain. Na come in the next few days.
Siko mlipa ndio ngani.
Huko mlipa na sasa yeye anataka nini?
Hello. Poa. Niko salama. Niko kwa nyumba. Yaani unaniuliza swali alafu unasema tena umejua. Kesho sinaenda shule. Oh my. Okay. So nakaa kama mimi aje. Kwa nini? Kina wewe. Oh, I'll give you feedback tomorrow. Kora ngaiye. Oh. Sana cheka nini? Morning hours. Zote. Good night. Otaki kulala uzime simu. Good night. Maiye.
Anakuambia je unacheka? Anakuambia nini unacheka?
Kukanyia. Hakuna kinyawe niambia. Ameniambia nakanga tu kama mimi. Ini makanya kakindo kali.
Oh my Scarlet baby, ini na wajib perahinya kawono.
Wow.
Thanks Kiara. My pleasure.
Skala nala.
Zora ngumungi watu ne Kiara watini. How much will that girl trouble you?
Oh my gosh, how are you, baby boy? Are you okay? Like you can't smile. Kwa nini upendagi kusmile? Anga timiga.
Sitaki kugongewa.
Kugongewa na nani? Ati dem? Dem akuapproach. Ama? Nasema nini?
You had me right.
Unajua hadi sisi madem tunakatia boy. Msichana yeye ndio unajua kukatiana.
Watching you